from the Snake Helpline before proceeding with the opening. Subhendu Malik, chief of the Snake Helpline, said, "We were instructed to assist with the Ratna Bhandar opening but were not called into the inner chamber." Dismissing concerns about snakes drive, CBK Mahanti, a member of the Ratna Bhandar Monitoring Committee stated, "I did not observe any snakes inside. There were no unusual conditions in the inner chamber of the Ratna Bhandar." Past records. This fabulous treasury of the Jagannath temple has been enriched by the contribution and donations offered by the devotees from all over the world. According to Madhyapanji, King Anangabhima Dev donated 250,000 madhas of gold. 1 madha equals 1/2 tola equals 5.8319 grams for preparing Sri Jagannath's gold ornaments. Justice Harihar Mahapatra, a committee member, noted in his autobiography, Jeeban Aur Jibika, published by Lagh Books in 1987, reprinted in 2004, that no action was taken on the report's recommendations, and a proper valuation of the jewelry in the Ratna Bhandar was not completed, except for establishing a hundi in the temple. No further verification of the Bhita Bhandar, inner treasury, was conducted afterward. Lists of Bahar Bhandar articles for daily and occasional use were created from March to July 1976, and a third lock was added to the Bahar Bhandar, with its key held by the administrator. On April 7, 1978, the Orissa government formed a high-level committee to review and suggest improvements for the management of the Sri Jagannath temple. Chaired by Governor Bhagavat Dayal Sharma, the committee included notable members and its secretary, Bibhutibhushan Tripathi, IAS, Ret. The committee submitted its report to the Chief Minister on March 31, 1979. Following the committee's recommendations and state government instructions, a complete inventory of the Ratna Bhandar's gold and silver articles was conducted in May 1978. On August 23, 1983, a hundi was established in the Nata Mandap of the Sri Mandir, where devotees contributed gold, jewels, and cash. By October 2009, the hundi had collected 980.990 grams of gold and 50,217.832 grams of silver. Devotees also contribute gold and silver jewelry to the Jhari Spindika placed on the Ratna Sinhasan during Sahan Mela, Darshan and Parimanik Darshan. It is unclear whether these items are stored in the Ratna Bhandar or elsewhere, and whether they are properly valued. There are concerns that a thorough valuation of the Ratna Bhandar's contents has not been conducted. Proper attention to the valuation and safe custody of these precious items is crucial to maintaining transparency and trust among devotees.